How to download BlockBlast app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download BlockBlast app on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch App Store or Play Store on your Android phone. Now tap on the search icon at bottom right corner and tap the search bar at top of your screen. Now type in BlockBlast and tap on the search icon at bottom right corner. And from the search result, you need to find the original BlockBlast application. You can easily Google the icon and search the original one. After that, tap on the install button. And depending upon your internet connections and the storage you have, it will take a few time to download on your device. Once it's downloaded, you can easily open the game and play it. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.